Hello everyone, today I'm in my garden. Now as you can see, you can hear the birds chirping. And then sound comes. Yes, you are right. Today I'm going to tell about sound. How does the sound travel to our ear? Sound is a form of energy that need a material to travel. But what do you think about material? Yes, you are right. The material is ear. Sound is traveling as a wave or the disturbance of the air particles. Now let's take a short example of sound. First, take a paddle and throw in your own swimming pool. Now as you can see that there were waves creating. Now that is the sound. Now when the music is playing, the speaker is vibrating because the sound is produced by vibrations. Now we are going to do a fun experiment. Now first take a salt and put on aluminum foil. Now we will play the music. Now the salt is going to vibrate and change its shape. Now the first layer will put the second layer. Now first layer will go to its position. Now second layer will disturb the third layer. Now second layer will go to its position. Now third layer will disturb the fourth layer. Now third layer will go to its position. Now this would continue until it reach to our eardrums, which cause the sensation of hearing and listening. Now when the molecules of air are close to each other, it is called compression. Now when the molecules are far away from each other, it is called a rarefaction. Compression is a reason of high pressure and rarefaction is a reason of low pressure. Now suppose you are on the moon and you are discussing about sound. You could not hear me, right? Because in space there was vacuum, so that's why you could not hear me. Sound is medium to travel, such as solid, liquid and gas. So now let's do a fun experiment. Now solid, liquid and gas would have a race. Now solid molecules are so close to each other and liquid molecules are little bit far each other and gases are much far from each other. Now they are having a race. Now let's see who will go first and touch the balloons. So are you ready? Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! So in solid, the sound was traveling fast. So in rest, solid was the first and liquid sound was a little bit slow. So liquid was the second and gas was the third because the molecules are much further away. So that's why the gas is third place. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. So bye bye.